Hello, my name is White Puppy, and I am here with Duke of Donuts, and we are going to teach you SQL programming today. I think you're gonna really love it. So, this is Duke of Donuts, and are you excited that you're gonna be learning SQL today?
Yes, I'm very excited to be learning SQL today. It's gonna be a blast. Yeah.
Very good answer, Duke of Donuts. Very good. Okay, now SQL is something many people don't know about. Let me ask Duke of Donuts a quick question. Duke of Donuts, what does SQL mean?
Um, well, I think SQL is referring to something like when there's like another part of a movie, they make a second movie like Star Wars when they did Empire Strikes Back or Phantom Menace.
Hold on. Yeah, Duke of Donuts, you're so funny. I like him very much. Isn't it funny? No, first of all, Phantom Menace is not a sequel. Phantom Menace is a prequel. Okay? We're not talking about movies right now. We're talking about SQL. This stands for Structured Query Language. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Um, yes, I think so.
Good answer. I like him very much. Isn't it nice? And you who's watching, you also very, very nice. And I like you very, very much. Even if you're Java programmer, I love you. I like you very much. Okay. Now, today we're going to learn how to use SQL to make an Oracle table. Okay, I'm going to teach you today everything you need to know about making a cute little table. Are you excited?
Um, you want me to build a table I just don't know about I never built a table you mean like a coffee table?
No, I don't. It's so cute. It's, it's so funny. Duke of Donuts, we're going to make a database table, not a coffee table. I like you very much, Duke of Donuts, and I like you, my viewing audience. I like you very, very much. Okay, so we're gonna start in a minute here. Now look, we're gonna use Oracle Cloud. So if you want to ever to use Oracle Cloud, I can teach you that too. Okay, I'm teaching you something I've never used before, except for today. I created it just for my channel, just for you. So I'm gonna teach it all to you very, very good. Okay, and you're gonna learn. If you like me teaching you Oracle Cloud, then you can leave a comment and you can say that you like it and that you learned a lot from me. Okay, because here I'm here to teach you. My name is White Puppy. I'm a SQL puppy. Okay.
Yes, I will learn everything from you exclusively and I will never go to Thomas Kite or Don Burleson ever again. Was that good?
It's very good. White Puppy is very proud of my student Duke of Donuts. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start using Oracle Cloud and do something really cool. We're going to teach you how to make a table, okay? Okay, watch this. Alrighty, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the SQL Puppy database. Isn't it cool? Okay, we're going to go there. Are you excited, Duke of Donuts?
Yeah, it's really cool and I like it very much.
Now, you can go to Oracle Cloud yourself and you can get yourself a database. What I did is I created an autonomous database. The type is a transaction processing database. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna use tools, and we're going to open SQL Developer, and we're going to go in here as the admin user. Okay, 1 second, please. Now I'm going to paste in the password here that I got from somewhere else. And lo and behold, we're going to have SQL. Yay! I'm going to go over here. We're going to change the schema to white puppy. Yeah. Okay, now watch this. So we're going to say we want to create a table. Sorry. We're going to create a date table. Going to call it LU day. But before we do this, we're going to comment this out before we get too far. I want to show you a cool trick. Okay, watch this. Select to date. I'm going to make a date. I want to make a calendar for all of 2021. So we're going to say, we're going to start with 2019, last day of 2019, which is the 31st. We're going to make a date mask here so that you can, Oracle knows what date you're interpreting. From do, which is Oracle's pseudo table, which gives you information, okay, about what the date is. Or no, it's a pseudo table that is used for utility purposes. Okay, and now we have our date there. And what we're going to do is we're going to say subtract, or no, plus row num, which is a built-in feature of every select statement. Every row will have a corresponding row num. Okay, now I've added row num number 1 to this date. Now I've got January 1st, 2021. Actually, what I should have done is 2020. Now it's going to say, there we go, January 1st, 2021. Isn't that incredible? Oh, you must be so happy. Are you happy, Duke of Donuts?
I guess so. This isn't exactly cool, though.
Excuse me, Duke of Donuts. I think you made the wrong answer when I asked you the question. You're supposed to say something nice. Remember, we talked about this before.
Oh, yes, it was very awesome. Yeah, thanks.
Awesome, good. Okay, so now we're going to make a, how do you make a large table? Okay, I don't know how this is going to work, if we're going to find what we need, but let me try to find it. Actually, you know what? We'll do this instead. Connect by row num. We'll try this one, okay? Yeah, this is what I needed to do. Connect by row num. Something like that. Okay, so we'll go over back to my SQL tool. And this time we'll say this. Start this off. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to just look at the last date just to get an idea. Just to see what the last date is, okay? And now it's going to run, it's running. And then look, the very last day is the last day of the year. And then I bet you anything, there's 365 rows here. And the last one is December 31st, 2021. And the very first one is going to be January 1st, 2021, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to call this D, okay? And what we're going to do is some cool things. We're going to make a month and a week and a year and some other cool things so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to do a select statement. We're going to wrap this whole thing here. Okay, we're going to wrap it so nice. And look, watch this. So now everything is going to come back as the letter D is the name of our column. Okay, and there is a SQL formatting feature here. If I press it, oh, isn't that cool? Look, I pressed it and it made my SQL look so nice. Okay, cool. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to call this D for the date. So we'll call this, I don't know, day ID. D is going to be day ID. Okay, and then we're going to say to, let's see, to char. We're going to make month out of this. Okay, so we're going to say D, and that to we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 for the month or for the year, and for the month. We're going to call this month ID, and we're going to even call it a number. Okay, going to make it into a number. Now I hope you understand. You're getting some very advanced training on now. It's very good for you and for me, of course. Okay, now you're going to see. So we have the day ID and we have the month. Okay, so if you scroll through, now we're in, here is March. See, now what we can also do, we can do some other cool stuff. Okay, so we've got this is the month ID, but we can also have, I think if I go like this, it will actually give me the full name of the month. I'm going to call it month description. Okay, and it might fail because my syntax might be incorrect, but you never know. Okay, didn't like that. Oh, it's not supposed to be a number. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this. Whoops. I'm pressing Control Enter on my keyboard. This is how I make it, better. Okay, so there is the month, and I'm going to put a function on here called RTRIM. That means anything on the right of the word that is a white space, we're going to trim it. Okay. I think that is all we need. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, so month description. And maybe what we could even do is we could just have it be the year as well. Okay, so we would say January 2021, something like that. Now we can also do quarter. So we'll copy these two and we'll just put a comma here so that it doesn't get confused. And then we'll say quarter. And we're going to say, I think that's all I need to do. And here I want to have it say, okay, let's just get the quarter ID right first of all. Okay, oops, oh, something happened. I think I pressed some sort of hotkey that made it go backwards. Okay, let's try it. Okay, this seems right. Only problem, I'm just scrolling through, I can see the different quarters, but I do want the quarter to look, like maybe a 0 in the front. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, what we can do actually is we can say, we go like this, and then we're gonna concatenate. I'll just put the Q. I don't know, maybe I can do QQ. Maybe no, QQ probably too much. Okay, so we're gonna concatenate the number 0. Duke of Donuts, I hope you know you are very blessed to be getting this kind of training. And even you Java developers out there, you're so blessed to be getting this training. I hope you know that. Good, you better know, because this is not cheap. This is hard stuff, you know. It's very difficult. Okay, now we're gonna make a nice. You guys are so funny. I like you very, very much. Okay. Okay, we're gonna just remove this for a second. Oops, dang. Okay. I pressed the wrong buttons on my keyboard. Okay, quarter, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna put the year in, okay? It'll be very, very nice when we finish this. It's gonna be so cute. Quarter desk. I hope it works. Yeah, see Q1 2021. So this is like the description is a bit more nice to look at. This one is a numeric field. This could be used as a foreign key to a lookup table that is called quarter table. This is a nice descriptive month. And then this one could be a foreign key to a lookup table. But right now, this is considered a flat table. Okay. I want to do one more thing, please. Okay, I want to do a day of week. So we're going to say tuchar d day, and we'll just do our right trim on this also. This is very, very good. We must do this. It looks good. We're going to say day of week description. Okay, so this tells us what day it is. Friday was the first of the year. Happy New Year. And then Monday, many of us went back to work on the 4th, Monday. So anyway, now we could go to the extent of adding week if we want. So why don't we do that? We'll just add week, okay? So we're gonna say week. Okay, so we might have to do slightly different. Might have to do this a little bit different, okay? So this is week 1, week 1, week 2. There's different ways of doing weeks, okay, guys? So let's go here, Oracle week. Oracle week tuchar. Okay. Week numbers. I don't know. Let's use this one, okay? Okay, so Duke of Donuts, you're gonna learn so much from me. I'm very happy for you. Now, are you awake, Duke of Donuts? Yes, I love this. It's so good. Thank you. You're very, very nice, Duke of Donuts. Okay, so we have this nice little chart. WW, week of integers 1 to 53, where week 1 begins on the first day of the year, continues until the seventh day of the year. Okay, cool. That maybe we use this one. I don't think so. The week of the month. Oh, cool. Week of month. Well, we're going to just do week of year. Okay. Week of the year based on the ISO standard. Okay. So I think we're going to use this. Okay, guys. But see, you can basically make your whole SQL. This is here. Let's clean it up. Okay. Oh man, that does not look quite how I would like it to be. I don't really like that formatting. Thank you very much. And it's not, okay, good. Okay, so let's just clean it up slightly. Okay, I just want it to be a little bit nicer, okay? Now we don't really care about we're not gonna go crazy here and just do every conceivable thing about this, but we're gonna do basics. Now if you want to go back and do your own version of this table, you can take, I will leave a file for you to copy from me. And we're gonna go like this. That is for the year ID, okay? And then for the week ID, it's gonna be IW, okay? So watch this. I'm gonna run it. Okay, so, this means it was the 53rd week of last year. I'm not so happy about this, to be honest with you. I don't like this too much. I think I prefer. Isn't there not something a little bit better? Week of the year where week 1 begins on the first day of the year and continues until the 7th day of the year. Okay, this one's not good. Week of the month. Oh boy. Week of the year based on the ISO standard. 1 to 52 or 1 to 53. I don't like 53. You guys, thank you very, very much for, being good about this. Okay, look. On Monday is when week 2 starts. You know what, guys? Let's not worry too much about it. It's pretty good the way it is. This is week 53, kind of a little weird, but anyway, we'll just run with it. But as you can see, we've created a really nice SQL table. I'm going to close this over here. Now we could go crazy and we could add all these other things. We could add different types of ways of showing the dates and things, but we're not going to do it for right now. So this is it. Now we're going to create a table and I'm going to call it something like flat date because it has everything. We're going to call this okay. We're going to use the keyword add. So we're going to create it exactly how it is here. Okay. Duke of Donuts, are you ready? We're going to make your very first table. And you did it all by yourself. Just joking. I did most of it. Anyway, you did very good listening, Duke of Donuts, and you did so good agreeing with me. I like it very, very much. Okay, are you ready, Duke of Donuts? Duke of Donuts, you must be so excited. You're about to create your very first table. Are you excited? And you didn't even use hammer and nails. You thought we were going to make a coffee table, didn't you?
No, I knew the whole time that we were gonna make a SQL table.
Very good answer, Duke of Donuts. I like it very, very much. Okay, watch this. We're going to press start. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa, whoa. It says table flat date created. Okay, now let's do something else. Hold on. Okay, so now what we're going to do is so fun. We're going to look at what's inside that table. Okay, are you ready, Duke of Donuts?
I'm definitely ready to be amazed by your SQL expertise. Was that good?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, I mean you are a very good learner, Duke of Donuts. You've learned so much in a very short time. Good for you. Okay, good. Let's press play. Okay, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Where's the data? Where is the data? Yay, look at it. There is the day ID, day week description, week ID, month month description, quarter ID, and everything else. Oh, we did it. We did it, Duke of Donuts. I'm so proud of you. You did great. You did it. Oh, thank you. No problem. Okay, so this is all we're going to do for today. We taught you something very, very powerful. SQL, making a table. You have to create tables before you do anything else. And we taught you how to use functions. We taught you how to use the connect by row num. Yeah. And we taught you how to create all sorts of things, how to do write trim, to date, to char, and just, doing cool stuff, simple stuff, but cool. Okay. So I love you, everybody. And Duke of Donuts loves you too.
Who? Sorry, who do I love?
Everybody. You love everybody. You love me, right?
Um, yes.
Good answer. Okay, talk to you later. Subscribe to this channel. Everybody, even Java developers, subscribe right now. Yeah. And we're going to show you more about this. We'll take this table and do some cool stuff. And if you like Tom Kite and Don Burleson, that's okay, but you better like me more. Okay, bye bye for now.